Well, hello everybody again. This is Dr. Glass, and I'm here to discuss the Hooked on Carnival website and try to simplify the Hooked on Carnival website to help you understand everything you need to know about Carnival Glass. As you remember, we're on our home page here right now, and if we scroll down to the second part of the home page here, you saw the 10 different options that you have to help understand Carnival Glass. Okay? Today we're going to go down to Annie's Antiques. And with Annie's Antiques, you can learn more about Carnival Glass. Annie is a good old soul. She knows everything about Carnival Glass. And if we open up the site, you can see already we're into season 2 of Annie's Antiques, episode 26. The different topic of every episode you'd see in red here. For example, episode 26 is hat pins and identifying them. And you can go all the way down to the first episode. Ooh, gee, I recognize that guy there. And you go all the way down to the first episode of Annie's Antiques. All the way down, we talked about Fenton, Panel, Dandelion, Tankard, and Blue. So choose a topic or scroll through them all. When you decide on something, decide on a topic you want to see, let's say grapevine lattice. In this episode, Annie looks at the popular pattern grapevine lattice. Let's click on that, open it up, and see what happens. Okay, welcome to Annie's Antiques. Press the arrow, and you will begin to see the beginning of Annie's Antiques. There. Yeah, it's kind of fun to watch the introduction here. And very shortly we will see Annie doing her thing. Okay. And again, different topics that you may be very well interested in. Okay. When you're finished with it, you can always stop the video, maybe start it again later on, or you want to go back and see another video, click on Return to Annie's Antiques, and you're back at the different options of topics that you can go to. Okay? If you need to go back to the home page again, click on Hooked on Carnival. And again, what we talked about today was Annie's Antiques, and maybe you want to go to another one of them. Maybe Annie's Antiques piqued your interest about something. You might want to see price guides or pricing database about something she was talking about. So it's a very good tool in helping you understand everything you need to know about the collection and the hobby of Carnival Glass. Okay, so that's the information today, and we'll be seeing you down the road here with more information about the several other tools that we have on the bottom here. Again, this is Dr. Glass signing out. Happy collecting. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.